Hello, people. How you doing? I'm gonna be installing a wiring harness. Wiring harness. This is Curtis. A Curtis. This wiring thing that you connect to a vehicle, so you can go a trailer. This is for that trailer. See that trailer? That's the one. I need to connect the wire to the vehicle. So when I connect it, let me see. So when I want to pick up the trailer, I can use this wire. What is it? It is. See that? So when I use the trailer, I can connect the wire to the vehicle. So that's what I'm doing today. I give you big ideas. General ideas about it because I'm doing the work and I don't have a stand or a camera or whatever. So the first thing you do is you clear the back. I didn't clear the back, as you can see, but I pushed in enough where I can access the area that needed. You need that plug. You need that plug, and then you need to run some wire here. So I cleared that area. So now it's color coded. It tell you, how to do it. So this is the wires, right? So the instruction said the brown one you plug into the driver's side. So you unplug that and squeeze this one between them, right? And then this one is the ground. You screw it somewhere here, and then the green wire, the one that has green wire and white, you connect it to the passenger side. And also, if you notice, the green side here have the wire here, existing wire have green inside. This one, the brown, it has. Let me see. Yeah, let me see. Does it have brown inside? Well, it doesn't have brown, but this is the one that goes on the other side. So you connect that, and let me do that, and I'll come back. Okay, because I can't hold the camera and be doing the work. So I'll connect according to the instruction now. The brown one, the wire yellow, brown, and yellow, brown, and red one, it goes to the driver's side. So, and then the white and the green, it goes to the passenger side. Let me do that. While the middle, after you connect that, you have to run the wire here and connect to that. So it doesn't expose. That's why. So, of course, you have to remove that panel first. That was in the back here. And the thing that was here, that's the one I folded like that, just to be a little clearer. Okay, so let me get it and I'll come back. All right, so I install the wire. I disconnect the existing one and I add this one to it, the brown, red, and yellow to it here. I put the ground wire here. And now it's because of this green, because you have to travel, it's connected, right? You have to travel from here to the other side. That's why we remove the middle panel, that middle panel here. So I connect that one, connect the green, the white side, I connect it. So now I'm gonna put the wire, in here and then install that thing back and close that. Well, not that, not yet. Sorry about that. Now I had to connect this black wire. See this black wire? Sorry about that. I guess I'm in a hurry to stop this work. This black wire, I had to connect it to this one. I had to connect it to this black wire. And now, this wire will run all the way to the battery at the bottom of the car, all the way to the battery. Because since we're installing a trailer, we don't want to if you connect it like that, that will pull wire from your light to service the trailer, but it will make your battery to die. So we want to run a wire to the battery, so that's why they attach it. So I'll connect this wire to this one, and then the other end, I will run it under the car all the way to the battery. Is it clear? So what I'll do now is connect the black wire, and then close. After I connect the black wire, I'll close this, and then I'll do the bottom. Run the wire. Where also this thing, this is the wire that will be connected to the trailer, right? You can leave it here when you want to use it, you just take it out, close the trunk, of course, and use it here. Or you can run it under and bring it under the car, whichever you like to do. So let me connect the black wire and close this space, and I'll come back. All right, bye-bye. Hello, people. So I put the cover back. I tuck the wire in, put the cover back, and all that. So I close. Just have to go under this rubber. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. So this one went back in. Oh, you see, you have to go back under the plastic. Sorry, under the plastic like that. Okay, so I put the pin back. So now I have the wire out. This wire out. That'll go all the way to the battery, all the way to the battery from under the car. And I want to put this trailer wire by the hitch this time. I want to put it there. It goes somewhere there. I didn't last time on the last car. I put it. I just drag it out here when I need it. I want to put it there now. So now I need to raise the car and tuck the wire all the way to the front. But before that, I need to tie this wire to something because the trailer, the thing to climb on is in the storage. So I have to go to the storage. So I'm gonna put all this. Maybe I can even do this. Let me see. I can even put it this way into it because it's long enough. Put it in the car for now. I didn't think of it fast. Otherwise, I should grab that thing before the thing to climb on. Oh, before hopefully it will not be a problem. I might have to tie at the bottom there somewhere. I might have to tie. Just tie it together where it will not be dragging the floor while I go and come back. All right, so when I come back, I will see. I'm not sure I can show you under the car. Pretty much just drag the wire from under the car until you reach the engine compartment. The battery is somewhere here, and you connect it to the battery. But I'll see. All right, people. Bye-bye. So I went and get the thing that I can put my car to climb on. So my car is high up in the air now, so I can go underneath and do the black wire about zip tie to tie it to the area. If I can, I will show you when I'm under the car, if I can. But the goal is to run the black wire all the way to the front so I can connect it to the battery. All right. Hello, people. So this is the wire from the back. Like I said, I ran it under the car all the way here to the engine compartment. So now I connect, this is the black wire, I connect it to the fuse holder. It comes with a package. This is a 10 ounce fuse. You connect it. Now this other side of the fuse holder will go to the battery. But how? We'll use this connector to connect it and put it on the battery, A side. So that's where we are right now. I'm almost done. I'll let you know. Bye-bye. Hello, people. I finished the installation. I'm gonna deal with the trailer later. I'm tired. Normally, I should bring the trailer, connect it, see if it's working. But I'll just test the wire and let you know. So now I put the flashing light on right. I don't want you to see my license plate. I put the flashing light on right. So there's this device to test it. The wire alone. See that? See that it's flashing. It's flashing. So it's working. So it's good. It's working. Praise God. Praise God. So that concludes the how to install wiring harness on a Nissan Altima. It's similar to other car, but thank you for watching. Bye-bye.